President Emerson Mnangagwa says he does not have intentions to run for a third term, emphasizing that there is no iota of evidence where the ruling party ZANU-PF has pushed for something that violates the supreme law of the land. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Zimbabwe, he also said, was a constitutional democracy that abides by the dictates of the law. In an exclusive question and answer interview with Brick by Brick magazine, President Mnangagwa indicated that speculation that the constitution would be amended for him to run for another term was misplaced. Well, I am very happy that Zimbabweans are very imaginative, he said. They can imagine about anything, which shows there is democracy in the country, you see. But we in ZANU-PF are very democratic and we obey the constitution. This is today's news about President Emerson Mnangagwa telling speculators to keep on dreaming, and he has no intentions to run for a third term. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.